my name is Nancy. I came from California, Fremont, California. Well, I'm a registered nurse. Last year when I hit 60, I had started watching Christopher's videos, you know, because I subscribed, hit the little red bell. I've started losing weight, started focusing on myself. I've been letting it grow out. I haven't colored, I haven't done anything because I was waiting for Christopher to do it. I've never felt pretty. Been encouraged by my family. My mother didn't wear makeup. I don't know how. I actually feel pretty for the first time in a long, really ever. My hair was always the same color as an Irish setter puppy. And people used to ask me, oh, what color do you use to get that color? It was natural, but he's ever been able to give it back to me. Got it back today. It makes me very happy. I want to go into retirement looking nice.
All right. I love it. It really brings you out.
Thank you.
I love it.
If you enjoy my video, watching my transformation, then you need to subscribe and click the little red bell, please.